Dr. Edward Mays, CBP, by far the largest component inside the Department of Homeland Security. Lots of moving parts going on over there. Big footprint that you have across the country, quite frankly, across the globe. How are you all doing in regards to your journey to enabling cloud computing for that important mission?
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting me today. And thank you for acknowledging the mission of CBP, securing our nation's borders, supporting trade, supporting travel. We are doing well. I will tell you that we've got about 91 applications in the cloud, and they represent differing levels of complexity. High, medium, low, about 29% high complexity, and about, really about 30% or so for the others. Our journey has been really, really good, and we've made progress in that. We started slow. We looked at, how do we migrate? We looked at the ATO process, and we've followed, cloud first, and we've also implemented, cloud smart. So where we are now is looking at how we bring the architectures together, how we do things in a standardized process to include all of our monitoring. And these are mission apps that we're talking about. So, it is really about driving that value proposition, getting speed to market, getting what's needed to our customer base. And we've done a really good job of that. What we're going to focus on as we move forward is, how do we look at the system holistically, not just the applications, but also the acquisition, also the training and education of our personnel, because cloud actually means that we really have to look at what we're doing from the perspective of human-centered design as well. So we're pulling all of that together. We're also looking at AI and how do we figure out problems before they happen? How do we build our networks better? How do we make throughput better? So we are on a great journey. We've done a lot of good work, and we've got about another literally 200 or so applications that we are going to be migrating to the cloud. We're looking at a multi-cloud and hybrid cloud approach. And I think that at the end of the day, we're going to find that what we're doing is really transformational for the organization and really bring best value to our customer base. I mean, just the ability to move from CapEx to OpEx is really huge. I mean, right now I'm running both a data center and cloud applications, but at some point, as we transfer from the data center to the cloud, less data center will be required, and I should start to see some real value for our customer, as we're seeing in some examples now.